Welcome to this video. Thank you for being here. If you're watching this video, I've got something really cool for you. What I'm going to do in this video is give you an income stream for high commissions. So if you've tried to set up income streams, affiliate income streams, and you're not having much success or you're not making much money, this will really help you. I'm going to give you the affiliate marketplace to use. I'm going to give you an idea of the products to go for, and I'm going to give you a step-by-step on how to promote them so you make some really good commissions. And what I mean by that is over $100 a sale. So you only have to make 2 or 3 sales a day to be making some good 9 to 5 job replacing income for most people. So I hope you enjoy it. Just on the screen here you can see this is a ClickBank certificate. So I've been using ClickBank since going right back to about 2006, 2007, maybe a little bit before that. I've been a Premier vendor as a product owner, and I've been part of the Premier program as an affiliate as well. 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014. So going right back, I've used ClickBank for years and years. And I want to give you one of the income streams that still works, modified a little bit for 2024. And I'm going to walk you through it, how you can create an income. So this will help you if you're trying to create an income or you just want something to create a side income. This will really help, so do watch the video. If you like this stuff, do give us a thumbs up, do leave us a comment, and do subscribe. It really helps me make these videos and know that someone's watching them. The other thing you can do is check out the link below. It will take you through to this page, and it will give you a free income stream where I'll go far more in depth about the income stream and explain about online income streams and exactly how to set them up. So if you're interested in this stuff, do check that out because it will really help you. That's in the description. Okay, without further ado, let's get into the income stream and exactly how to set it up. Okay, so here we go. The income stream is ClickBank. You might have used ClickBank before. Bear with me if you haven't had much success, because this is going to help. What you want to do, and there's lots of different ways that you can do this, but this is the way I recommend if you're a beginner or if you just want to make money. Number one, go to the ClickBank marketplace. You're obviously going to need to have a ClickBank account to do that. Go to the ClickBank marketplace, and all you're going to do, really simple, is just go to top offers. Okay, then you'll see all of the top offers. What you want to do is keep an eye on the top offers here. Gravity score 664. Bear in mind, gravity score is a score based on the number of unique affiliates generating sales. So a large gravity score doesn't mean that the sales page converts really well. It just means it's got a lot of affiliates promoting it. But knowing that a lot of affiliates are promoting it means that it's probably doing quite well. Okay, so what I want you to do is just stick with rank high or low, and you can also go for gravity high to low, and you want to go for the most popular products. So right away, let's pick the top 5: Java Burn, Sugar Defender, the Genius Wave, Pure Revive, and Pro Dentum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we've got the top products, and then what I recommend that you do is focus in on the product name. Okay, and I'm going to give you a simple method that you can use to make sure that you get traffic and make sure that you get sales. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so let's focus in on the first product. You want to do the top 3 or the top 5, and I'll explain exactly how to do it. So when we've got this product here, Java Burn, you want to have a look through the sales page. We know that it's popular. We can then read about what it is and what it does. Okay, the next thing you're going to need is some landing page, and all I mean by that, quite simply, a WordPress site with a landing page which would consist of a full Java Burn review, ideally. Okay, going into detail about the product, picture at the top, call to action at the top, then a full review, call to action in the middle, and then a call to action at the bottom. Ultimately, you're just looking for a landing page. The other ways you could expand on this is have a WordPress site where you're actually building the site around this product as well and promoting through SEO. Okay, if you're not sure how to set up a WordPress site, get your free income stream in the description through the link below, because I go into how to do that if you need help with that. But ultimately you want to have a landing page. The other way you can do it is, if you're literally just going to go for a landing page, is just have a WordPress post with a banner at the top, main headline of what it does, and then a clickable link. Okay, you just want to have that there. And how are you going to get traffic? How are you going to get eyes onto your affiliate link and onto the website? Here we go. Here's where the magic happens. So the reason this income stream works really, really well, and we can also see that it's going to pay you 147 average commission, $147 per sale. The reason that this works really well is I recommend starting off with YouTube, setting up a YouTube channel. Now, you don't want to set up the YouTube channel as a just a Java Burn YouTube channel. You want to set it up as fitness reviews or weight loss reviews or something a bit higher up in terms of the niche, so you're not constrained. I would brand it, so think about real like a health food sort of channel, or health reviews, something like that. And you'll have the YouTube channel, and then this is the key thing. You want to do 5 or 6 or even 7 videos per product, and you want to focus in on the product name and the main reasons that people would buy the product. And one of the ways that you can get this information is, you can see here I'm using ChatGPT. You can see my prompt here. I want to promote Java Burn in this case, and I've put the website address. However, I want to make sure the content I'm giving people helps. Give me 5 areas and reasons people buy this product and what they need to know before they buy. Give me some topics just around the product for YouTube videos. Now, areas and people and reasons people buy Java Burn: weight loss and metabolism boost, natural ingredients and health benefits, convenience and ease of use, energy and mental clarity, and obviously customer reviews and testimonials. So they're the reasons and what they need to know. Okay, reason and what they need to know. So the way this works is, I've also put YouTube video topics around Java Burn. So you've got Java Burn review, does it really work? Java Burn ingredients breakdown, what's inside and how it works, how to use for maximum results, Java Burn versus other weight loss supplements, which is better, real user experience Java Burn success stories. Okay, and any of these YouTube ideas that you've got here, what you can then do is, if we want Java Burn review, you can ask for help. So you can actually say, help me with the content for this video. Java Burn review, does it really work? An in-depth review of Java Burn, discussing its claims, ingredients, user experience. Break it down and bullet point it for me so I can share the screen and cover. And you can see here it's taken that one video subject, and you've got Java Burn review, does it really work? And this is what you want to cover. Welcome, brief overview of what it is, mention that the video will cover claims, ingredients, user experiences, weight loss and metabolism boost, energy and mental clarity, natural composition, benefits of the key ingredients, user experiences. And what you can do is then go expand even, help me with this part, brief overview of what Java Burn is, and it will give me, sorry guys, here we go, it will give me a breakdown of exactly what it is, so then I can use this in my video explaining what it is. Okay, and then once you've got your video where you explain what it is and what it does and the full review, you can then go back to ChatGPT and say, for the video Java Burn review, what is it and is it any good? Give me a great YouTube title to use, and it will again go off and it will give me YouTube title, Java Burn, the truth about this coffee supplement. Does it really work? Now, the reason that this works is, remember, you're not just doing one video, you're actually doing 2, 3, 4, 5 videos covering different aspects. The other thing that you can do is this: give me one thing I can mention in this video that will make it unique, with something most people don't know about Java Burn that they need to. Look at this. Unique insight. Java Burn's impact on blood sugar levels. Mention this unique fact. One lesser known fact. So there we go. And you can obviously use that to get more clicks on your video. So what you've got here is a bit of a refresh. Is one, how you can get all the information for your videos. You've then got the different reasons that people actually buy. Does Java Burn help with weight loss? Does Java Burn give you a metabolism boost? What ingredients does Java Burn have? What are the health benefits? What's the convenience and the ease of use with Java Burn? Does it affect your energy? Does it increase mental clarity? What are the customer reviews and testimonials? And then you've got at least there 5, 6, 7 videos around those keywords with really good in-depth videos that you're going to have to make on YouTube and use Canva for a thumbnail. And then you put your link in the description with a description of the video and a link going through to your affiliate site. Now, if you want to make this even better and you know, better for people, is you could actually go and purchase Java Burn or any other product and do a diary of your actual usage and your actual experiences and show the unboxing and so on. So there you've got, if you get like 5 videos out there and you get 10 views of each one, obviously you've got 50 50 views. But if you get one of these videos and it takes off and you get 1,000 views on it, you're obviously getting people through to your affiliate link and through to your review page. So that is a very, very simple way of making good commission. $140 in this case, $140 plus per sale, and you can rinse and repeat with the other products. So that's well worth doing. If you need to make money now, that's a fantastic income stream for high commissions that you can go and do. Do check out your free income stream. Do subscribe if you're interested in this stuff, because I've got more income streams coming on the way. Do let me know if any questions, anything's not clear, and do let me know if you implement this, and let me know how you get on, because it does work. Bear in mind that you want to make sure that you get a good 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 videos up there, good quality, call to action at the start, call to action at the end, and really good information. And remember to use ChatGPT to mention one thing that most people don't know about the product in this area, so you're making your content unique. So I wish you well with that, guys. Works really well. Go and give that a go, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.